Hi guys, this is Nora from SINOMADA Heavy Industry, Changsha Co. Limited. We have more than 14 years experience of exporting construction machines. And today we are at RUNSHARE factory, which is specializing in aerial working platform. Now I'm going to introduce you the model GTJZ05M. This is a self-propelled scissor-type aerial work platform. This equipment is mainly composed of chassis, scissor arm, and the upper platform. The max platform height is 4.5 meters and the max working height is 4.5 meters. The platform load capacity is about 213 kilograms. The total weight of the machine is 1,315 kilograms. The platform extends horizontally by 0.9 meters. Here are the control system and hydraulic components. On the other side is the battery pack and the charger assembly. Swing out train on both sides for easy maintenance. This machine uses a maintenance-free battery as the power source, low noise and no emissions during work, suitable for indoor occasions such as workshops, warehouses, hotels, etc. The upper platform control box is located above the platform. We can see all the function buttons and information prompts here. And the control handle can realize the lifting and working function of the equipment. Plenty famous brands of the components enforce the good performance of this machine. Customer driven, quality first is the way of RUNSHARE. If you are interested in this machine or any other machine, please feel free to contact me. See you next time. Bye.